What's going on? What's going on, YouTube fam? You got your boy Trucker underscore Quill DIY here. I'm showing you a quick video how to take apart a door to a 2001 Buick Century Custom. Quick and simple. Now, pretty much already took it apart, but I'm gonna show you how I do it. Basically, right here, you got this flap in here. Inside, under this flap, you have two 10mm bolts right here. See, bolt thread. So that's 10mm. Get yourself a 10mm socket, 10mm socket with a gun. This right here is Mac tools. Now I use Mac tools a lot. You know, Mac tool. If you watching this Mac tool, support it, brother. I get a lot of tools from y'all. So it's pretty much all you really need is this 10mm. Take the flap out, take that out, and take the screw out. There's a regular screw in there, so all you need is a filler pad. Put it in there. Pop it out from the side like so. Pop, 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 pop. Lift the door. Pull it out. Watch the wiring. You got a speaker wire there, and you got the power. You got your power doors, your power window, everything here, and that's pretty much simple. At the same time, I'm changing the mirror, so I went from taking the insides out of here. I went from taking the insides out of here to putting the insides in here. Now I'm gonna show you how you put the mirror back on the door, quick and simple. So pretty much all you need to do is put the flap like this. So put it like this. Anytime you're putting screws back in there, cause you see the rust, just put some W40 in there. Make your job, can of W40, make your job a whole lot easier. And just try to tap them in the hole. Getting them back in there. And that's pretty much it. Quick little video, you know, for those who like to do it yourself and save some money, where you ain't got to keep running to the damn mechanic and the mechanic keep busting you in the head with, you know, different prices. Just something simple, man. It's just a simple job here. This ain't hard. Put them in by hand. You should have 3 of them. But since I be moving stuff around, there you go. You want to make sure too you spray W40 inside the hole, because what happened is when I took these out right here, I took these out, they got stuck. I kind of stripped the head on this one, bro. It's gonna go back in though. But just make sure you put W40 behind yourself, and then try to put W40 on top of the head of the bolt, because you see the rust kicking in right there. All right, now I gotta figure out where I put my. I'll put it up there or down here. All right. There you go. Like I said, if you can, just screw it in by hand. See how easy that is? Simple. You know why? W40. Makes your job a whole lot easier, so you ain't got to be sitting here stripping the head, busting the bolt down. You don't have to do all of that. You don't do none of that. This is the one that got stripped, so you got to be careful with this one. Take it out, right? I take that one out and put that one in the back, because for some reason, I don't want that to come out of there. And I will put some Loctite in there, but then I might want to go back to the junkyard and find this base that matches and put it back in. So if I do that, I'm gonna have a problem trying to get it out of there. So I'll leave it like that for now. But even with the W40, it's not gonna back out. Just take your time. Take your time. A little patience go a long way. If you get frustrated, you get mad, you know what you do? You back up, you walk away, come back 10 minutes later, take a breather. Because you know how much shit you can destroy. If you don't just take a breather and come back, you can destroy a lot of stuff like that. Alright, that's it. Like so. You hit it, you want to hit it slow. You don't want to hit it all hard and crazy. That's it. Different size. Let's get a little tug on it. This mag tool, you see right here? You have 3 different sizes here. You got one. This is slow. This is medium. And that's high. You can see. Crawling. Medium. When you're working on stuff like this, watch your speed. When it go blip, 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 that's it. Don't be getting all crazy and heavy-handed. That don't even move. That's on there. That's tight. You ain't getting that to go nowhere. Yeah, if you can, a little medium. Be careful though. Yeah, you don't want to strip it. Like I said. That's it. That's all I want. Now, you gotta put this rubber back on here. This gotta go back on. You gotta push that back through the hole. Like so. Take it, line it up. That's it. You see? Take that. You line all that up. You gotta make sure everything sits flush. Just make sure you put everything back in the correct way. Just like so. That's it. Then what you want to do is, see, it's functional. Just that don't match, but as long as this match. Okay, put that back through the hole. What you want to do is line it up. You got to make sure you get that bushing right through there. Now, you have 3 of these bolt caps. I call them nut caps because it's like they got a pad on something. So I get a little W42. The other one. See, like I said, you could do this yourself. I've been working on cars for years. I started, my mother used to say, raising 5 boys, 4 boys, 1 girl. And she was like, boy, when y'all get your ass in there and watch the mechanics do that. And I was the only one in there watching. I hated it because I never learned how to swim. All of it did was work. So, all right, like I said, you need 10 millimeter. That's all you need. And believe it or not, it's 10 millimeter. Take off quarter fenders and everything. This down there this 10 millimeter will take loose this whole car. Take apart this whole car. So now you're screwed on by hand. You never want to use this to put a bolt on because you will strip the thread. That's it. That's all. So another thing, Like right here, I have corrosion in here. So what you do with that, W40, good for corrosion in wires. That's it. Then you just take it, cap it off. Put it back in the same way you took it off. That's it. Then what we're gonna do, put the door back. It's as simple as that. That's it. Then what you do with that is you put the door screw back in. Oh, where you go? Oh, I dropped that. Where you go? Now you gotta have decent eyes down here. Mess around. We got it lined up. We gotta have that lined up. There you go. You gotta have it lined up. Gotta lift the door up. Once you lift that door up, you can line it up. It's a quick little, small little simple video. You know, for those who's into this, you know. Like I said, then you got your two, like I said, W40, always on it. Even though you're spraying inside the plastic right here, but it really don't matter to me. As long as we can get that in that door, we good. That's it. Once you got that in there, and your plastic flap, wherever I put that at, where did I put you at? Where did I put the plastic at? You know, you get it. It's pretty much done, but we're gonna end it as soon as I get that piece in there. If I can find that piece to go in there. Alright, yeah, I get that pretty much about it. Just a quick little video. How to take the door off, how to put the door on, how to disassemble the mirror, put the mirror back on, you know, and that's it. And like I said, make sure you know what tools you're using. So when you're doing this door right here, all you really need with this door is a full up head screwdriver. All you need with this door is a full up head screwdriver, a 10mm socket, a socket wrench gun, you know, or you can use a ratchet, whatever, you know. That's pretty much about it, you know. And I want to say thanks for watching. Come on back. I got more videos like this to show y'all to help you get through the common things on fixing your cars and fixing your trucks without even having to go to a mechanic and a mechanic pretty much robbing you or taking from you or coming up with these outrageous prices. Because just to do a door like this, to put a mirror in there, they're gonna charge you at least $150 just to do what I just did, and it will cost you nothing but taking a trip to the junkyard or just ordering on eBay, buying the parts yourself. All right. The next video, I will be doing the left quarter fender, taking off, replacing it. All right. So come on back, chill with your brother and learn something. All right. Peace out.